In this life, we may not be able to change what we are bound to, but we can certainly control what we make of it. We may not know what the future holds with us, but we can, by all means, work towards it. We may not be able to predict our lifeline, but we can make the little or more of it. We may not be able to restrain from the struggles that come our way, but we can go through them with persistence and grace. We may not be able to change the world, but all we can is change ourselves and influence millions and billions of lives. Ladies and gentlemen, many of us might have the hard times in our lives that changed us from within. But not all of us are really changed. And not all of us are like Muniba Mazari, who looked deaf in the face, but through her words, she became a light of hope for numerous lifeless souls. Many of us might have dreams and aspirations that do not go with the social norms, but not all of us are like Hassan Shahryar Yasin, whose near-fatal accident marked his metamorphosis from a boy afraid to admit he loved passion to the man who eventually made it in every possible avenue. Many of us talk about change, but not all of us are like Maria Malik, who stepped down in the society that takes the third gender as the near entertainment object. In spite of all the odds, these are the men who thrive in the middle of the ground and north. Their lives are timeless exemplification of determination and willpower. For today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm bound to say that we make our own fate. We make our own fate. Ladies and gentlemen, history shows a number of examples where men and women who lived by the principles and fought against the tragedies of life earned accolades of courage and success. Hold back and see the entrepreneur who started from nothing to the biggest company in the world. The success story of Bill Gates has flooded every book, every media, and every discussion. Hold back and see the America's most significant figures who command an undisputed braveness for his wit, wisdom, and fortitude. No words can describe the amount of appreciation that adventurous Franklin is worthy of. Hold back and see the pioneer of cartoon films who started as a contributing cartoon animator to the world's non-animator and a music power creator, Walt Disney 122 Academy Award. Hold back and see the woman who went from the struggling single mother to the world's most successful author, Alice Walker. Hold back and see the woman who holds the privilege to become the first female pilot of Pakistan. Aisha Farooq is an inspiration for all the young girls. Ladies and gentlemen, today, when I look back at my nation, every suffering of my sisters to bring a change in the lives of mentally oppressed, disheartened, and enslaved souls, jolts my entire conscience that from where you had started and where you have reached today. From then and now, I'm bound to say that we make our own fate. We make our own fate. Thank you.